Okay, just pushed the car out of the shop today and dropped the motor in. So now the motor and trans are sitting in the correct spot. Bolted in, take a look at running the exhaust and getting some of the rad stuff installed as well. The finish clutch, as that will be showing up pretty shortly. Measured the drive shaft, it comes to 14.5 inches. And looks like it's in the proper length, so it won't have to be cut or lengthened. Okay, taking a look at the Devin on this side, the exhaust is lightly in place. Taking a look at the interior and clearance issues. Little progress on the slave cylinder. So there's a slave cylinder bracket now. The slave cylinder got mounted, and then a flex line, as well as it's been tested with the lines up in here and the pedal assembly. So the clutch, hydraulic clutch now works. Taking a look at the exhaust on this side again. It's being mocked up, just needs some exhaust hangers. Couplers have been welded on. And then a center console here lightly. Have the shifter hole cut, but I intend to mount a e-brake in the front corner here, and then a proportioning valve on the other side for the center console. The steering stuff and exhaust manifolds have been sandblasted and painted. It's gonna go for cast iron gray, but they only had silver, so the exhaust manifolds got painted silver. The front slip yoke and U-joint are being swapped out, as the slip yoke is for a T10 Borg Warner, or as for the slip yoke has been swapped out as it's fitting different transmission now. As it used to have a Oldsmobile U-joint, and now it's getting a different style U-joint and slip yoke. Bell housing has as well been sandblasted and painted. And the carburetors have been lightly mounted, and some fuel lines have been bent up. So I'm gonna run 2 GM carbs. These are the small Rochester 2 jets. And this intake manifold has an adapter plate for 2 barrels. And I have a fuel pump, and we'll just be finishing up this fuel line here. Just doing a final bend and a flare. And yeah. Rear brakes again on the diff have been final mounted, just to have to install the pads. And we'll see some more progress in the next day or two as the pedal assembly is getting welded up today.